Founded in 2012, Jugalbandi is a pioneering platform dedicated to fostering confidence and self-expression across all age groups through the arts.
आज का जो सिनेरियो है उसमें वर्किंग पेरेंट्स हैं, उनके पास अपने बच्चों के लिए क्वालिटी टाइम नहीं, तो हम जुगलबंदी के अंदर उन बच्चों को जो लेते हैं वो सभी बच्चे अपने पीयर ग्रुप के साथ एक्टिविटीज करते हैं, उनके साथ वो खेलते हैं और इसके जरिए उनके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल उनका बढ़ता है, उनकी सोच डेवलप होती है।
Rooted in the belief that artistic endeavors can serve as powerful tools for personal development, Jugalbandi offers a holistic approach for the same. Students are encouraged to explore various art forms, including music, dance, drama, and visual arts, in a supportive and non-judgmental environment.
From the beginning, they have boosted the children कि नहीं आप कर सकते हो, आप करो। अब वो 10 लोगों के सामने, 100 लोगों के सामने उनको फर्क नहीं दिखाई देता, उनको स्टेज दिखता है सिर्फ।
She did dance, she did guitar, she also did theatre here. With theatre, she also shot 2-3 short films with Devesh ji. So the kind of exposure she has got and the journey she have had with Jugalbandi is absolutely commendable.
Through experiential learning and creative expression, students learn to communicate effectively, build self-esteem, and cultivate a sense of belonging.
मैं हाईली कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ और मुझे जुगलबंदी भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है। People here are so kind, polite, they are so supporting.
I feel that I'm very strong now.
Now doing anchoring, going in the stage, talking to the audience, now I've developed my confidence enough so that I can talk to people now.
Central to Jugalbandi's philosophy is the idea that confident and expressive individuals are better equipped to navigate life's challenges and contribute positively to society.
I think Jugalbandi Studio is one such platform which has given wings to the talent of the students.
With a decade-long legacy of transforming lives, Jugalbandi continues to inspire curious minds to discover the joy of self-discovery and the power of artistic expression.